Hi boys and girls, I'm back again and I'm going to show you some strategies to help you with 3-digit addition. So today I'm going to show you 2 different strategies. Ready? The first one we're going to do is partial sums. And I've used this strategy with adding 2-digit numbers, but we're going to do it again today. Ready? I'm going to start with my problem, 325 plus 497. I'm going to start with my hundreds place. And if it's easier, remember you can always add your hundreds, tens, ones on top to mark your place value. Okay? For partial sums, I'm going to start with the biggest place value. So I'm going to add my 300s plus my 400s. So here's my hundreds place. I have 300 plus 400 equals 700. And I write it on the first line. Okay. Then I'm going to go on to my tens place. I have 2 tens plus 9 tens. I'm going to add those together and solve them right underneath. So for my tens, I have 20 plus 90, which equals 110. And notice, as I'm writing my answer down, I'm lining up my ones, my tens, and my hundreds. So they're right on top of each other, and I won't get them confused when I'm adding. My last step is to add my ones. So I'm going to add 5 plus 7. Well, that equals, you got it, 12. So I'm going to put my 1 in my tens place and my 2 in the ones place. So they're lined up to make the number 12. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to add my numbers together. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 1 is 2. 7 plus 1 is 8. So my final answer is 822. Okay, now the next strategy I'm going to show you is the one I call up-down. It's when we do our trading. So for this one, I'm going to start with the opposite place value. I'm going to start with my ones place. So in my ones place, I'm going to add my 5 ones plus my 7 ones. Well, 5 plus 7, what's the problem? It's too much, right? We don't have enough room to put 2 digits in the ones place. So I'm going to make my cloud, and I'm going to put my answer in here because there's no room for it in the ones place. So what I need to do is break up that 12 into its tens and its ones. So I just make my little caret arrows. I have in 12, I have 1 10, plus I have 2 ones, okay? So these 2 ones, I can simply just put in my ones place because there's room for them. But my 110, I can trade it over, since I have 10 ones here, I can trade it over to my tens place, right? And I have to remember to put that 1 up on top to show that we're trading it. And now I have all these tens that I want to add together. I have 1 10 plus 2 tens plus 9 tens. Well, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 9 is how many tens? 12 tens. Isn't there a problem? Sounds familiar. Can I put a 12 in my tens place? No, I can't. So, guess what I have to do? If you guess that you need to make another cloud, you got it. So I'm going to make another little cloud over here. And I have, again, 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 2 more is 12 tens, right? But 12 tens is too big to put over here. So I have to break it up, and I'm going to just make some little arrows, into its tens and its ones. Well, here I have 10 tens. That makes a 100. And this 2 tens makes a 20. So I'm going to take my 2 tens and put it in my ones place. But when I represent a 20 in my ones in the tens place, I only need to put the 2, right? 2 tens. And then I have a 100. I need to bring that over here into its hundreds place. I have 1 100. So I'm going to add that 1 100, a 1 just to show the 100. And then I'm going to add all my hundreds together. I have 1 100 plus 3 100s is 400. Plus another 400 is 822. Notice the answers, they're both the same. So when you're solving your 3-digit addition today, you can choose whichever strategy you prefer to help you do your work. Don't forget to show your work in your math journal. Have fun.